Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first kind of autumn / fall, wherever you are, wherever you want to call it, makeup tutorial of this year. Like this right here is the reason that I love autumn. I love my warm tones, as most people do. So I just wanted to do a very warm toned look. I do have a few different looks planned. I want to do another kind of olivey greeny one to get some different tones in there, but for the first one I thought I'd just go full glam, full warm toned one. So I've added glitter. This is not kind of like an everyday autumn look. Well, it can be if you want, for a night out or just something where you just know you're gonna be glam. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look and what products I used to create it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. I've already got my skin kind of prepped and everything, but because, as you can probably see on this eye, I have added some glitter, so I'm just going to do my face after I've already done my eyes. So this is the look that I'm going for, very warm toned, very me. But I'm going to be using the original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And I just first of all mixed these two transition shades on the top row and then just buffed them into the crease quite softly. Into one of the deeper transition shades, which is this warm brown here. Just laid that over top, and I'm going to kind of create like a little slant, kind of like a wing, just from this outer corner, and then use the rest just to buff into the crease. I'm going to deepen up the crease and start going in with a red. So I took this one here. Crease brush is more of a kind of flat based one, and I just kind of stamped this along the crease line to start off with, just to kind of push the colour in like that. So I just kind of got a rough area of where I wanted it, and then I just started to blend. I took an even more flat brush, it's very, very thin, and I just took that red again, and then I really packed this in that crease line, and I just stamped this all the way around, took a tiny bit more, and then I created that kind of wing kind of with the red shadow just here. Created that, just a rough guide, because then I am going to go in with some concealer now. I'm going to take some Shape Tape concealer. So I just created the slant, just kind of following what I did before, kind of with the red, just like that, and then I went back in with that really flat brush. Took a bit more of the red, and then I just kind of went around the crease just to shape the cut crease area. Into the Colourpop Zodiac eyeshadow palette, and I took the Aries, which is this shimmery orange, and I just took it roughly on my finger first and just started to kind of tap this over my lid. You build up the colour a bit more. I went in with this kind of, it's a silicone kind of rubbery brush. These kind of brushes, obviously it's not got bristles because it's just silicone. It just picks up like shimmery shades so much better than a brush with like actual hairs. So I've been using this brush, and it is a lifesaver, because I'm going to add glitter on top of this, but I just wanted that orange down just for a base for the glitter. So I then just took some glitter glue, any that you have is fine. I used the NYX one, a tiny bit onto my brush. That's kind of drying down. I then went back into that red shade, and I used that little brush that I keep using. Use this to just intensify the outer corner a bit more. Then for my glitter, I took the Revolution in the shade Out. It's just this really nice coppery shade. Just gonna pour some into the cap. And take that same brush that I used for the glue. Just take a white and just hold it underneath, just to catch any of that glitter. So I just press it all over that glue. I'll go quickly add my wing and put my mascara on. I'll just skip that bit because it's just really, really boring. Okay, so now I'm just going to move on to the skin. So for primer, I'm going to take a spray primer today. So I'm going to use the Revolution Aqua Priming Base. Really just drenched my face in that, didn't I? And my hair is wet as well, great. For foundation, I wanted something that wasn't completely like dewy or any of like the foundations that I would normally wear. So I wanted something that wasn't fully dewy but then not really matte, because I don't like matte foundations really. The Colourpop No Filter Foundation, mine is in the shade Medium 100. So I'm gonna go in with this guy. So I find that just kind of patting it in first does a good job, and then you can just kind of buff out the rest. So use my sponge, and I'm just going to dampen it a bit just with that primer that I used. I'm just going to use this to just further push in the foundation to the skin. I just like doing that, and it just kind of pushes the product in just a bit better. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the Collection Concealer, and I've got the shade Warm Medium 3. To set that all in place, I'm going to use the Enabler Loose Powder. We finish off the lower lash line. I'm just going to add all the same shades I use in the crease. I'm just going to start off with the browns, then go into the warmer brown, and then the red as well. Finish the face off. The skin, I'm going to go in with the Lottie London Shimmer Squad Highlighting Palettes, which just looks like this. And I think I'm going to mix this shade and this shade. That's lighter than I thought it was going to be. Bronze the skin, I'm going to go in with my Laguna bronzer from Nars. To add a bit of blush, I'm going to take the Morphe Blush Trio, and it's in the shade Pop of Peach, and I'm going to mix, I don't know why it's called Pop of Peach, because this is not peach to me. This is more of a berry tone, but whatever. I'm going to mix a bit of this one and a bit of this one. Then finally I can move on to the lips. So for lips, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop lip liner in the shade Chi. For the actual lip colour, I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. This is one of my favourite nudes ever. That is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my first autumn tutorial. I said in my intro I'm some more, so if you'd like to see the future looks that I do for autumn, then make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye!